Okay, so as you can see, it's the same process that we did before when we did the regression analysis. So first, we are going to the data analysis tab in Excel. So you're familiar on how to go there. Next is we have to pick correlation and then press OK. So after that, we have to choose the range. So in this case, since we have three variables, we're just going to select them all. So when you do it in Excel, the range would be A1 to C6. And then we have to check the labels on the first row. Then we have to select cell A8 as the output range. So this output range, it doesn't really mean that it's on A8, but on my example, I will click it on A8. It can be anywhere here. Okay, so after doing that, what we need to do is we have to click OK. So after clicking OK, as you can see, the input range here is defined A1 to C6, and then the output range, this is where we are going to see if it's -1, 0, or +1. So after that, we are going to see the result. So for A, variable A, we have the result A relationship to variable A is 1 because they are similar. A is equal to A. So B compared to B, it's 1 because they are the same value, same as with C. That's why they are 1 because technically if they are the same, they are related to each other. So the next thing here is if we compare B to variable A. So the result is 0.1. If we are going to go back to the graph earlier, let me just go back to that. So 0.1 or 0.2. Okay, we will see the graph here on the example. So 0.2, the graph would be like this one. Okay, let's go back to it. As you can see, the value here are scattered too. So there are different points here. So they are not linear. Okay, so if we compare now variable C to variable A, the result is 0.9, or if you round off this one, it's +1, and then this one is 0.1. So meaning to say, variable C and A has stronger relationship compared to variable B because 0.1 is nearer to -1 than +1 or in 0. So they don't have any relationship at all. Okay, so now let's do it in Excel so that we are going to apply what we've understood. So the conclusion of that is variable A and C are positively correlated with each other. Variable A and B are not correlated at all. Variables B and C are also not correlated since the value is 0.11, and then you can verify this conclusion by looking at the graph earlier because it's scattered. So now I'm going to close my PowerPoint and we are going to do it in Excel. Okay, so here are the values that we have earlier, A, B, and C. So